Why are you wasting your time? Instead, listen to this. 4 things you must stop doing now. 1. Stop regretting your past. What's done is done and you can't change it, but use the lesson and move forward. 2. Stop worrying about the future. Free yourself from worrying and the unknown. Trust in your innate abilities to handle everything that comes your way. 3. Stop looking for happiness in other people. It's within you. True happiness comes from you. You're stronger than you think. You must believe in yourself more than anybody. God will be there. He will guide you. He will carry you. He will lift you. But you can do this on your own. Let's go. Share your views on this in the comments. This may be the last time you see me, so subscribe and follow me if you really want to be successful. I can change your life.
And I'm gonna see my